What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. So I don't recommend this, you know what I'm saying? Don't record and drive. I'm gonna put this out there right now, but time is of the essence and we got a lot of things to do in a short amount of time, right? So originally I was gonna let this stay until Sunday, but we just gonna do it right now. So we got the tail lights and the reflector lights and the M-style mirror caps I gotta put on today, right? Now with the M-style mirror cap, right? So because my car is not the one with the side mirror monitoring, we might have to fabricate the mirror caps because they said it was only made for the one with the blind spot monitoring, right? So we're gonna see what it is and what we got to do to make it fit. That's one thing. And then two, we got the Lexus style tail lights. Shout out to my boy from New York. I can't even pronounce my homie's name. That's crazy. He traded in his car for something else and he was parting out, so I got the tail lights off of him. So I appreciate you, my boy. And second, we got to deal with the reflector lights. Now, the reflector lights are easily wired. Everything is easily wired. And then the brake light. All my Camry people know the brake light in the back mirror. We're gonna have that blinking. I don't know what it's called, but I'm just say it's a delay module where you hit the brakes and it like blinks 3 times. Like fact, if you ever go to a car show, you know all them Honda boys be having it. I'm gonna find out the name for y'all so I can tell you exactly what I'm talking about. But for those know who I'm talking about, could you tell me the name in the comments if I'm not mistaken? Or help me out in the comments by telling me what it's called. But for the most part, that's what we run into right now. I had to run home, grab everything, and then run back to my boy's house before the sun sets. So when I get there, I'm gonna see what it's looking like with the mirror caps, because that's just my main concern right now. Everything else is easier to do, but my main concern is the mirror cap. So I'm gonna get there and I'm gonna see what's going on with it. I'm gonna talk to y'all like in a second. All right, so this is a Lexus still. I think these are the BRBs. That's what they currently look like before they go in. We're gonna put them in, test them, wire them up, and get them ready for the road, bro. So once they're in, we're gonna turn them on, test them, and show y'all what they look like. We got the reflector lights to put in, and then we're gonna have the blinking right there. We're gonna have that blinking too. So once they're in, we're gonna come back and see what they look like. Sheesh. So this is what the tail lights look like at night after the install. It's not that bad, bro. I honestly love them. Yo, you can turn the light on, bro. Jesus Christ, boy. The whole startup animation is just beautiful. Then I got the yo, you can turn the left signal on too. And then go straight to the right. And then hit the brakes. Oh my God, this shit looks so sexy, bro. So fucking sexy, boy. Damn. Yep. Best purchase I can ever make. So y'all, that's what the light looks like at nighttime. Appreciate y'all for tuning into this video, bro. Y'all have a good night, a good day, whatever you watch this video, man. Drop a comment down below, share the video with your friends. I'm out of here.
I just like the sound.